Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Center College. This is Jyoti Singh, class 12. We have started with the first unit with our syllabus, that is reproduction, in which we have already completed 3 chapters, that is reproduction in organism, sexual reproduction in flowering plants and human reproduction. Now we are going with the last chapter in this unit, that is reproductive health. So first in this part we will discuss about the growth factors and the reasons or the factor responsible for the growth of the population. Then we will discuss about the later topics like birth control, need for reproductive health and so on. So one by one we will see in this chapter topic wise. So let's start with the first topic.
So class, today we are going to discuss about population and factors for growth of population. So let's start with the introduction of population. A population is all the organisms of the same group or species which live in a particular geographical area and have the capability of interbreeding. So human population throughout the world is rising at alarming rate. So first, let's discuss population growth in India. Population growth can be defined as the change in the number of individuals in a population per unit time. The birth rate was around 40 to 41% per 1000 when India became independent in 1947. In just 50 years, after independence, our population has just doubled. Let's discuss the factors responsible for the growth in population. In India, the death rate has sharply fallen during the last century because of the improved quality of life. This is shocking, na? In India, the death rate has sharply fallen due to the last century because of the improved quality of life. Now this resulted in a high growth rate of population in India. Here is a very funny picture. The population explosion in India has happened due to several factors. What they are the several factors? First, let's have a look at economic factors of population growth. In India, the occupational structure of the population has not changed much in the last 4 decades. People work as laborers in fields and also include their children as laborers to support their living. This has led to the thought of having more children among poor people. You have seen the poor peoples have lots of children. Sometimes they have more than 6 children. Some you have seen the more than 6 or 8 children. So because of that thinking, this lead to a high growth rate of population. Now let's have a look at the social factors of population growth. Presently in India, about 76% of the women in reproductive age are married. Most of the women get married at a younger age in India. Yes, you are agreed with this point? This practice of marriages at a younger age increases the reproductivity span of women and that increases the chances of having more children. Also in India, some people believe that having a son is essential to continue the family name. So people also believe that a son will look after them in old age, while daughters cannot. So these two misbeliefs prompt couples to go on having children until they have a son. Agreed? Thus, the desire of having a son also results in more number of children. Now, let us learn about the education factor in population explosion.